All right, my friend Steven, right now, he's going to lock me in here for, I don't know, about like 60 days or something. All right, close it. Okay, so all we have right now is a lantern, and we have a flashlight. And oh my gosh, day one, Steven! All right, I think I can survive. Let's try to, let's make a fire. Alright, day 2, everybody. I think I'm officially going insane.
How have you survived without any food?
I've been eating much. I hope there's some bread. Others. Oh, I pay for any bread. Oh, there's a bread back there. I think it's kind of pretty dark in here.
It's time to go to bed, man.
Okay, we're going to bed. Turn off the lantern. And also the light. Okay, I'm turning.
Big light first.
I'm turning off that light.
The lantern can stay on red.
Okay.
Because that's a night light. Use the blanket. Don't get it dirty, though.
Okay. Alright, we do got a blanket. That's one thing we got. See? Blanket, everybody. Alright, we're gonna call it a night. Alright, good night, everybody.
Look. Yeah?
Alright, it is day 50. It's time to get out. Yo! Yeah? Corn dog.
Corn dog?
Yes.
We're playing a survival game.
Alright, I think I can officially escape this thing.
He's not getting there!
I only need one more day. I can get out. Yeah, he took my stick. But I got a stick. I don't need no gun. I got a katana.
The second I touch you, you get zapped.
No. Pretend that you took me back, so I'm gonna go back. Shh. So lucky that. Alright, I just need to survive one more day.
No.
Okay. Let's look at all the resources we have around here. Looks like we have a gun. Oh, what's in this cardboard box? Oh, we have some slippers. Alright, let's see anything else.
Someone's taking somewhere, so I gotta get in with you.
Someone's what?
Taking somewhere, so I gotta attach the thingy. Let me attach it.
Okay.
I have to attach this so it doesn't fall off on our truck ride. Hold it really tightly.
Okay, I am. Wait, what's about to happen? What's about to
it's
happen?
fake. Just connect that to that thing.
Oh, oh my God! We're about to go on a truck ride. We're gonna go to the desert. Alright, I gotta survive on the canyon. Whoa! It's about to get super hot. So, just warning for everybody who does it. Alright, let's roll out.
Whoa! Wait,
Keep
keep
the camera on. Keep the camera on.
Help!
This truck
Guys, we'll restart the video later, but we gotta go to